thinking like Madame blank Leroux.
Madame Leroux.
But I think like Leroux is a bit cliche because they're not French.
Or Leroux. 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 Madame Leroux.
Who's Leroux?
I don't know. Madame Leroux. Madame Leroux.
I can see nothing.
Hello! Hi guys and welcome back to another video. This video we have a special guest.
I'm very special.
Michael! And this is Michael, our friend from Canada.
Canada, eh?
Hey.
I'm friends with Simply Neological. No, I'm not.
What? Okay, anyway. So today we're going to do drag queen makeup on Michael. But Danny is going to do her half and I'm going to do my half just to show you different styles and stuff like that. So just remember to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell down below. And yes, we hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we're going to start off by using some glue, just whatever glue you have hanging around. Or Prit. You can use Prit. And we're going to just block out the eyebrows with the Prit. Let's do this. And so what you want to do is you want to comb out the eyebrow hairs and then put the glue over that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Just see the glue. Okay, wait, you can't do that. You can't do that. Relax your face. Chill. So yeah, so this made his eyebrow hairs nice and flat. Now you wait for this layer to dry. Danny is doing the whole eyebrow. I'm only doing this part because I'm going to leave the little front hairs because I'm just going to make the eyebrow from those hairs. And then you wait for this to dry and then you put baby powder on. Okay, next I'm going to powder with a powder puff. So just keep your eyes closed. So nice to have an eye, like we only done it on each other.
Ooh, that's so nice and flat.
What
We
does
have
the powder
eyebrows.
do?
It just dries it and sets it.
Yeah, it sets it.
Again.
Again.
Again, man.
Okay, I'm just gonna touch it. Okay, so mine is dry, so I'm gonna also just powder with some translucent powder. I'm using the Creative Glamour powder, and then I'm just gonna do another layer again.
So let's do dry queen name.
I haven't thought of one yet. I think I'd do like Madame.
Madame.
And I was thinking like Madame blank Leroux.
Madame Leroux.
But I think like Leroux is a bit cliche because they're not French.
Or Leroux.
Leroux.
Leroux. Madame Leroux.
Who's Leroux?
I don't know.
Madame Leroux.
Madame Leroux.
French dragon.
French.
I'm French. French.
So we are going to cover the eyebrow with the orange over here, also Creative Glamour, and that is going to be on the eyebrow hairs as well.
And this is the Conceal and Color Corrector palette.
Yes. Now we put the orange on to conceal the darkness. My darkness, my old friend.
Where's that from?
Simon Clarv.
No, it's in a lot of YouTube videos too. Who uses it?
I don't know. So now the beard also needs to get some.
The beard.
Beard, you must think that.
The little 5 o'clock shadow.
I'm wondering how it's you.
What is going on?
What are you doing?
I'm finding quite a fish.
What is going on?
gonna try like to still let you know more. I'm ready for it to go, I apologize.
Okay, do it quick. I'll hold him down.
You gotta, okay, you need to do it one at a time. It's like, what are you
Okay, I'll do it first.
No.
So now you want to powder the concealer on the brow, the color corrector on the brow.
Just keep fast first. Foundation is going to be Creative Glamour color 02, so this one.
Where are my eyebrows? Isn't it weird that this is kind of cool?
It is cool. Okay, you want to powder this a lot so you make sure it's nice and straight. Okay, now we're going to do the contouring and we're going to use Creative Glamour palette, not this one. That is number 5.
Don't worry, I've been farting a lot.
Even what?
Farting.
Wait.
Okay, so next we're gonna bake. So you're gonna use your latex wedge and some translucent powder and just bake with that.
But I'm just calling this a...
Bake, sister, bake! Back home, sister, cook!
I'm going to use Creative Glamour's color palettes. Looks like this. It's a very nice, colourful palette.
Ooh.
And I'm going to be using Ocean, and I'm going to be using Snow and Sky.
That sounds like what you made like Princess Elsa out of.
I'm now going to use the color Ocean. Sorry.
Okay, I'm going to use the Shimmer palette and the Black Night Lights.
So you went to Manchester to open a store, so a makeup store, and the, like, I don't know if like the municipality or the, well, it wouldn't be the municipality, they'd be the county or like the town council or whatever, were, apparently they had no idea how big he is. I just saw like 50,000 people turned out to see him, and like it shut down Manchester. Like traffic was backed up for 2-3 hours. They had to get the police out there to calm the crowd.
Yeah.
That was a huge hoo-ha. But what annoyed me most was the BBC News, and I love the BBC. I lived in England for years. I love England. But what bothered me most is like they were just being like, we don't understand why he's famous. We don't understand what YouTube is. I'm like, how out of the loop are you people? feel like wet or like damp, but I just feel really dry.
It's because you put so much powder on your face, and I must say I also feel very dry after a lot of powder.
Little
Michael. No.
I think Madeleine Alexandra hit you.
Is that your name now?
I don't know, I might have forgotten what my name was. It's been a long day.
So you say it's not good enough for you, Michael?
I never said that.
I'm joking.
I just said you weren't good enough.
Okay, nothing, just leave me alone. Michael, you don't throw on this.
I'm very sleepy. Yeah, just have to remember I'm really jet lagged. It's okay.
What was that?
It was like Stitch, but drag queen Stitch.
It's okay.
Math and Stitch. You need to rub my butt for me.
I'm not rubbing your butt for you.
My butt is very numb.
This is all for you cute. I'm going to use Creative Glamour's Intensifying Waterproof Mascara.
You don't put any face
So am I.
Oh my god, twin!
Twinsies!
You have to do mascara before you do
I just thought of something about with your non-matching brows.
Yes.
Remember, brows are sisters, not
Not
twins.
twins. We're going to talk with you again.
I'm linked, I'm sorry.
No.
Don't mess it up.
Did you?
No, I think.
You can open though.
Okay.
My eyes are blood.
No, you're not. Go.
I can see nothing. I think this one's coming off a little.
No, it's not. It's fine.
Oh my god, my vision is so restricted.
It's fine.
No, it's not. How am I supposed to glasses on that? Every time I look down, the level of lash makes the room look really dark.
Okay, smile. Smile.
I'm sorry, you're not trying to do that. What smells that one?
What did you do to our face?
Blush on. Now I'm going to use the Creative Glamour lipstick palette. And I'm going to be using the color LPP8.
LPP.
LPP! LPP! I thought it was funny there. Michael's like, I'm sorry for this.
I'm going to use Eyeliner 9 and LP03 in the Creative Glamour lipstick palette.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the Michael, what's her name?
Oh no, Madame LaRue, I think we lost track of her.
Madame LaRue.
We went through a few names because I'm just.
A montage.
I have many personalities.
Stay tuned for the Madame what?
LaRue.
Montage
Narcissistic
and narcissistic montage. And thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell down below. And be ready for the montage.
She poppin', she dippin', she spinning, she droppin', she flippin', she winning. She poppin', she dippin', she spinning, she droppin', she flippin', she winning. She's a super queen,
damn Leon. Make sure to click subscribe, like, and ding the little bell icon to keep up my little darlings. Ding dong. I'm just fake. Enjoy.
She doesn't make. That's good.
That's good, Danny. Danny and I always compliment each other.
Every time you say Danny, I want to be like, hey Danny Zuko, what you doing later?
I don't think Danny or one of us understood that reference.
From Greece.
Beautiful. Are you surviving it? I'm trying to do it quick.
God, stop laughing.
Oh my god.
Why are you so ticklish?
Oh my god. Like, I don't know if I've ever met someone who's ticklish with their leg.
And all we're doing is like
I
dabbing.
feel like I should like hit you. You touching me in naughty places.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so now he's not.
He's also very ticklish, I apologize.
Okay.
I didn't even breathe.
I need a mirror to see what damage you have done to my body.
Yeah, this can be a long process.
This looks like a hot mess. I'd feel better if you stopped stabbing the elbow.
I'm not even touching your face.
How many people have said that to me?
Nah, too many.
Oh, too real. Yeah. It's hard having you this close to me, yeah.
Yes, you would say we hate each other the way you speak to
I
me.
know.
Well, mostly the way you speak to me.
I'm actually terrible because I know my accent is far more wrong than yours.
Just don't know what accent you have.
No one knows. My accent is so mixed, it's so confused. This was not a good idea, me doing this. So I think I actually hurt my bottom while I was flying. I think I pinched a nerve and it's been numb ever since. And now I've been sitting here for having a very nice hour.
Do you want to stand up for
No,
it?
that's fine.
We can stop it and you can like stand up for
No,
it.
because the longer we take, the later I get home.
Wow.
I have been sitting here for a very long time.
Are you thirsty?
I am tired and abused. This is how I die.
Yes, so let's be more dramatic.
Oh my word.
Oh, guys. Oh no, I was
So
going to say something like dark, but I just blinked.
You're so dramatic.
You are.
Seriously.
It's not gonna kill you.
It's not that bad.
Just another day.
That's not another day for me.
But can you believe it? There's people that does this makeup day in, day out.
Every time I look down, the level of lash makes the room look really dark.
Okay, smile. Smile.
I've never like looked at your face this closely.
Makes me very uncomfortable.
Yeah, I'm trying not to comment about your crow's feet.
Okay, so I'm gonna use
LR9 and LPO3 in the Creative Glamour
I
palette.
don't know what to be so loud because
Guys, in the shower.
I need a sweet, yeah. I need to do this. Okay, I need to. Okay. Oh, you guys,
yeah, we did.
okay, I'm gonna use